ng doktor kasi nagsimula naman ang ubo ni Ryan. You get the file? Punta kami sa Rainbow Hospital kasi yun talaga yung clinic na binivisit namin pag nagkakasakit si Ryan. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, few weeks back, grabe ang ubo ni Ryan. Sabi ng doktor, baka asthma daw. Ubo na naman. It's okay, change your clothes. Baka asthma daw. Mawawala lang din daw kasi bata pa siya. Ang daming binigay na gamot. It took maybe 2 linggo, 3 linggo bago nawala lang kanyang ubo. Kawawa naman. It's okay. Kahapon lang nag-start Change clothes, okay? So, ayun na nga. Kahapon lang nagsimula. Kaya lang, iba yung tunog ng ubo niya. So, alam ko na kailangan ko na talagang dalhin sa doktor. At least hindi na siya magsasuffer, especially at night.
Yeah, night more trouble.
So difficult, right?
Night is
scary.
We cannot sleep.
Kape muna kami. Ito kay Daddy Ram, bulletproof coffee or yung black coffee na may butter. Then ito sa akin, 3-in-1. I made sandwich for you, Nana. You wanna eat now or later? No problem if you don't have appetite to eat. We'll see later. Huh? Your throat painful? You wanna eat now? Okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay. Maybe this one. Just one day, baby, so didn't change. Yesterday, runny nose. Then your voice change. Dirty. It's okay. Is it painful when you swallow? No. When you cough only.
When I cough and if I inhale too much air.
Ito na yung na-soak natin na munggo kagabi, guys. Ready na siya. Gawin ko na lang ngayon kasi wala pa yung doktor naghihintay pa kami. Igagayad lang naman siya, guys. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng ginger saka green chilies. Konting tubig and then asin. Baby, I'm gonna grind this one, okay? So later we'll be ready. At least we'll have dinner.
Yeah.
I already put the chicken out.
This one, if you don't soak it while doing it, stomach is,
Yeah.
I think the one brewing inside the stomach.
Si Daddy ang taga-tikim. Ayoko kasi ng raw. Few minutes away lang yung Rainbow Hospital dito sa amin, guys. 10 minutes, baby.
Yeah, 10-12 minutes.
And Sunday ngayon, sana wala masyadong tao. At saka wala pa naman kaming appointment kasi usually daw doon sa pinupuntahan ni Daddy Ram, may doktor lang na mag-check. How are you feeling now, Nana? Better?
Let's see, doctor. We get some medicine, you'll feel better.
Yeah. Nag-ano pa siya last time, nag-nebulize, guys. At saka yung may puff siya. Sana this time hindi naman lang, sana gamot lang na oral or cough syrup. We'll see kung anong sasabihin ng doktor. Daddy, okay? Which room, Nana?
That one or that one?
Oh. Maybe the doctor is still not here. Umiga na. Hindi naman siya mainit.
लोग 3 क्लासेस स्विमिंग क्लासेस के लिए
స్విమ్మింగ్ క్లాసెస్
ఇంకెలా మానిపించేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను
టైం అవుతున్నాను క్లోజ్ నాను క్లోజ్ యువర్ మౌత్
Yan ang gamot si Daddy Ram, guys. Huwag na lang ano muna, cough syrup at saka some tablet. Ay, nakutang dahil sa swimming. Rayan! No more swimming, swimming, swimming. Are you sad? Maybe let's move to other sports.
Badminton.
Badminton?
Sometimes gonna go swimming after a badminton. Only sometimes, not every time.
Yeah, maybe sometimes. No coaching, just, you know,
Playing
fun, play, swimming.
with you guys, all my friends.
Ang tagal nang nag-swimming ni Ryan, tapos matitigil lang. Sayang naman yung kanyang training for 2 years, almost 2 years. Pero ganyan talaga. Sabi ng doktor, stop muna. Kung gusto niyong mag-swimming siya ulit, siguro summertime. And ano muna yung gamot ni Ryan, tablet tsaka cough syrup. Then pag 3 days hindi pa daw naging better, yun, mag-i-inhaler na naman siya. And meron siya yung spirometer ba ang tawag? Nakalimutan ko na. Basta yung ano, lung exercise. So kailangan gawin yun ni Ryan para daw ma-help yung kanyang lung capacity mag-improve. Kasi nga one thing also bakit nagkasakit magwi-winter na dito sa Hyderabad. So nag-iiba na naman ang panahon. Kaya sakit na naman. Done?
Done.
Cough syrup only, right? And then tablet?
Cough syrup and you want to use tablet something at night before sleeping.
I hope he'll be better.
Yeah. Good go.
No more swimming.
I don't want to send us.
Oh my God. Nag-swimming kasi siya ulit. If you want anything, do you want the pasal ato, Daddy?
Later,
You wanna eat? Okay. Ito yung ano ni Ryan. Gamot. Drink water, Nana, please. 2 times a day.
Syrup 2 times a day.
Ito yung gamit na inhaler ni Ryan dati.
should we take it now?
No, you're not gonna use this one now. Bilis mo namang ano, Ryan.
Wait, now we're not gonna use this anymore.
You're gonna use that one next time maybe. But I hope no need. Hope you get better. So you don't need to use this one. Okay?
Okay.
Ito yung spirometer ni Ryan, guys. So, minsan nag-exercise pa rin siya.
Oh God, it's
Painful?
I can't do it so much because like if I inhale too much air, like my throat becomes painful.
Okay. It's okay. When you're a bit better, doctor said, don't stop using this one. Even though you don't have cough, you need to use this one and
So it can increase my lung
capacity. Yes. Gawa tayo ng pasar at para kay Daddy Ram. How many you want, Daddy? 2? Okay. Usually, pag first batch, hindi masyadong maganda tingnan. But we will try our best. Tama, perfect circle siya. Then, lagyan natin ng onions. Cumin seeds also, right, Daddy? You want cumin seeds? Ito, cumin seeds. Then, oil. Konti. How is it? Good? Gusto ba niya nila tirang medyo sunog-sunog? Crunchy? One more, okay? Para sa ating lunch, nagmamarinate ng chicken si Daddy Ram. Whole chicken. Tandoori chicken, yan yung kanyang expertise. I-air fry lang. So this is the masala. Oh my god, you're doing it differently now, huh? As compared before, you're using like such a big bowl,
Yeah.
putting it there.
Getting less and less the masala.
Yeah. That's good. Expert na talaga, and it's really yummy. Daddy
I
Ram.
love it.
I love it also. Daddy Ram's special recipe. I don't even know how to do it. Looks so appetizing. ASMR. Daddy Ram.
Huh?
ASMR. Ang batang nagutom, guys, gusto daw niya ng prasar ato din without onions and cumin. Ayaw niya. It's hot. Come outside so that you won't make mess here in the bed. Come on. May dumating na naman from Amazon. Pero ito ay para kay Mami Verly at para sa barkada ni Mami Verly. Very special. Kasi tinatawag nila akong ice queen. Ako ang tagagawa ng ice. Pag may gathering kami. So, bumili ako ng more pang-kilma ng ice. Oh, di ba meron kaming ice maker sa ref, pero it's not enough. Kaya, bumili ako nito. Ang mahal kasi ng ice, guys. 1 kg ice, 80 rupees ata. So, alam niyo yun, ako na lang yung gagawa since may ice maker kami. Tapos, pag alam mo na, nag-gathering kami, so kailangan namin maraming ice para tipid. Oh, di ba? Nag-invest talaga si Ice Queen. Tawag talaga nila sa akin Ice Queen kasi kahit saan pa kami magpunta, nag-gathering, ako yung tagadala ng ice. Di ba? Ito yung ice maker namin. Pero, hindi niya kasi nakakaya na siya lang. So, gumagawa ako ng ito, stuck ko ito guys ng ice. Di ba? Sa baba. Salamat naman talaga guys at ang appetite ni Ryan ay okay naman. Sabi niya sa akin, Mami, gusto ko pang kumain ng isa pang pasar ato. Sabi ko sa kanya, kakain ka na ng lunch. So, hintay ka na lang ng few minutes. Kasi yung chicken ay air fry ko pa, and then yung ating rice hindi pa luto. Nakalimutan kong magluto ng rice. So, buti na lang sabi ni Ryan, gusto ko kumain ng pasar ato. Hindi na pala ako nagsaing. Si Daddy Ram, pagod na pagod siya. So, natutulog ngayon guys. Sinara ko yung pintuan para hindi siya mastorbo sa mga ingay dito sa labas. At least patulugin siya. Makapagpahinga ng Sunday kasi bukas iikot-ikot na naman yan. Kung saan naman niyang tutungo. Kasi nga ang daming inaasikaso. O diba, ang perfect ng ating tandoori chicken. Air fried lang yan. Very juicy pa. Do you wanna eat now? Chicken. What you'll eat? Rasam? Okay. Ryan, come on. Can you smell it? Can you smell it, my boy?
I have lactose, so I can't really smell it.
You can't smell it? I have black nose daw, kaya hindi niya ma-smell.
I can only smell it a little bit.
Okay. Do you want with rasam or with ketchup?
Ketchup?
Ketchup, okay.
Mommy, I changed my mind just some.
Okay, I'll give you with rice. Still hot?
It's hot. Rasam also hot, rice also hot, right?
Less salt or not?
No, it's
Enough?
enough.
It's good. Merong exam si Ryan ng Telugu sa Tuesday. Pero hindi ako sure guys kung papasok siya bukas. Kung matindi pa rin ang ubo niya, hindi ko na papapasukin. Pero Tuesday dapat talagang pumasok siya kasi may exam. Ayoko na ma-miss na yung exam. Si Daddy Ram nasa gym na. Do you need to finish a lot of things, Dana? Or you're almost done?
I will do this one after Daddy comes back. Like, I want to complete this one, and this one.
Okay. No unnecessary chika-chika, Ryan. Kasi madaldal.
What's chika?
Gossip. You keep talking and talking unnecessary things. Just finish it fast. Yeah, you always do that. Come on, so that you can play, you can watch TV.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Bukas pa naman sana yung first day na ihahatid namin si Ryan sa school niya. Ihahatid at susunduin kasi nga from bus transport, nag-own vehicle na siya. Yung kanyang way ng pagpunta sa school. Baka nga masyadong uubo ng uubo. So, hindi ko alam kung papapasukin ko siya bukas. Pero pag medyo okay na naman siya, start na naman siya ng kanyang medication. So, pag feeling better na siya at makatulog ng mahimbing mamayang gabi, so papapasukin ko siya. Kasi ang problema guys, sa gabi talaga, nagigising siya at umuubo. So hindi makatulog ng maayos. Pero ipe-prepare ko pa rin yung uniform ni Ryan guys. Bukas PE uniform siya. So, paplansyahin ko lang to konti para ready na bukas. Ngayon, punta kami sa kabilang community guys. I-check namin kung may available doon kasi doon nakatira ang kaibigan ni Ram. So, i-check down niya. Malapit lang dito sa amin. We'll see, hopefully meron para malapit lang. Ay naku, lahat ay hindi pa talaga confirm. Ino-open namin yung options namin kung ano yung mas maganda para sa pamilya. Water is cold? No? Maybe my dear boy Ryan needs jacket. Do you want jacket? Come on. May paskil pa dito. Baby, see? Most awaited brand sale. Very low price. No.
Oh, this one, close.
Yeah, the clothes. Yesterday also have. Today also, yeah. They're still here. Maybe 2 days. Weekend.
Yeah.
Firecrackers also? Oh. Okay.
Yeah. There's also a bathroom too.
Come here 1 second. Ang laki naman kasi ng sinuot na damit. Usually siya ang ano guys, namimili ng mga susuotin niya. Tapos gusto niya, laging maganda ang damit niya. Yung mga pang-alis niya, ginagawang pantulog. Tapos nagagalit kung hindi namin papasuot sa kanya. Yan, ang may KFC din pala. Pati ang dami naming nabili. Ayun, wag na muna. Tawid lang kami guys doon. Actually, naghanap na din kami ng available na flat dito sa ibang community. Pero wala ngang available. Ang ganda oh. Loda Meridian. Dito na kami sa kabilang community. Titignan na natin ang kanilang surroundings. Daming puno. Ang buong community parang park lang. Dim light pa. Madilim guys. Masyadong kita. It's nice, right, baby? It's like a colony daw, sabi ni, Ram. And they're putting lights because of Diwali. Dapat may lights na din kami. Kaya lang, lilipat nga, di ba? Ang laki niya, guys. Mas malaki to sa community namin. Wider ba? Wider. Kasi maraming building. Yung community namin, mga nasa 6 lang. Pero, naman, tawag nito yung very tall buildings. Balik na kami ng bahay, guys. Nasa labas na kami dito sa main road. Yan yung bahay namin, oh. Ayan, ang ganda ng palighting dito sa labas. First time namin maglakad dito. Laging nakabike or sasakyan kasi, di ba? Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa bahay and bigla ang walking ang naganap. Hindi ako prepared na ganun pala siya kalaki. Lagi ko siyang nakikita everyday kasi nga malapit lang, di ba, dito sa bahay namin. But wala akong idea na ganun pala siya kalaki, yung community na yon. Kasi very wide siya. Yung community namin, malaki din siya pero few buildings lang. And then, matataas yung mga buildings. Doon, hindi masyadong mataas yung buildings nila pero ang dami. May nakita kami, 32 blocks. So, alam niyo yun, ang dami talaga. Yung boys nasa kwarto na at nagpapahinga kasi maaga kami matutulog ngayon. Dahil nga, we will try to send Ryan to school. Medyo feeling okay na siya. So, tignan natin. Then, bukas nga ihahatid na namin siya, di ba? Sa paaralan niya. So, bukas namin ititest kung ilang minutes it will take from our house to Ryan's school. 7:30, dapat nandoon na kami. Or else, the school won't accept Ryan pag late. Takpo. We'll see. Ready to sleep, guys?
Yes.
We need to sleep early. He's better, right? So much better. After the medicine. So we'll try to go to school tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
7:30, we need to be there. Exactly. What time will start? 7 o'clock? 30 minutes enough, Daddy? 6:45. This is a test. Okay? Say bye to guys na.
Bye guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you guys, please.